What's happening, guys? This is bike check number 2 for Buffalo Carbon. This bike check is sponsored by this bike check number 2 ay para sa 2018 Buffalo Carbon 27.5 Plus Enduro setup. Tires are both 27.5 by 2.5 MAXXIS Minion DXF for front and rear. Ang rim niya ay SPANK OOZY 395 and hubs are KOOZER 440 boost. Brake calipers are Zoom HP 875 and rotors naman ay floating 160 sa likod and floating 203mm sa harap. CTTO 1142T naman ang kanyang kaset. RD niya ay 10-speed na long cage. Ang crankset niya ay Decas na 32T narrow chainring with Shimano BB62 sealed bearings. Ang frame naman nito ay T800 large frame full carbon fiber with matte finish na may high single pivot suspension system. Suntour Triair naman ang rear shock nito na may 213 by 63mm treble. Ang fork niya ay boosted Suntour Auron RC2 na may 140mm treble. Ang saddle niya ay base cam trail with D&M hydraulic dropper seat post. Nakasalpak ang 740mm Buffalo Carbon handlebars with the BAM Holy Shit grip with CTTO shifter and Zoom HB levers. Thanks for watching this bike check.